Hello, welcome. We've left the heater, the Volkswagen heater, transporter, diesel heater going for about 20 minutes. We're just going to check and see what temperature it's at. I've had the door shut. Oh, it's at 19 now. Yeah, so it does seem to be rising.
The least it can do.
Yeah. But it's not gone mad though, is it?
No, it's fine. It is working.
Right.
It's cut right back.
I better shut the door, eh? Ooh, ah! It's working because it's cut back. You can hear it from the outside. You can hear it working. Can you hear that? Fantastic thing, like. It really is amazing. Like having a heater in your van. Oh, it's so amazing. A fantastic feature. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.